welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you all are having a fantastic day. So I am really excited, and yes, I know I say that all the time, but I am really super excited to do this unboxing because this is something completely different than I have done on my channel. This is a new subscription, as you can see from the title down below, and it is Gramma in a box. Now, I had originally planned to unbox this with Christopher in the kitchen, and I'll explain why later. However, apparently my 9-year-old is too cool for me and did not want to do it. So I figured this first time just to go ahead and get it up, since I have not been feeling well and want to get this video up, I was just gonna do a regular unboxing, but hopefully in the future I will be able to show you guys, like from my kitchen, this box. So this was very kindly sent to me. Don't want to show you guys my address. Very kindly sent to me from Grandma Terry. She is the one that curates this box, so thank you so much. And you guys, what is so awesome is it literally is like Grandma in a box. The story behind this is she wanted to send her grandkids and her family cookies and things that she couldn't just, in the same town, drive over and give to them. So she started mailing them. And I think that is so awesome. So there are cookies in here and stuff to decorate the cookies, which sounds amazing. So we're going to go ahead and dive in. I can't wait to see what is in here. This is the June 2019 box. So we are going to take a look. I will put a link to her site down below, as well as pricing and all of the information. And you guys, I just think, again, this is so cute. Just the whole idea of this is just adorable to me. I mean, who doesn't love getting cookies to decorate, sent to you? And there's always a cute little theme. So this is how it looks when we open it. That is so adorable. Here's the thing. Christopher, like I said, I had originally planned, I was like, oh, I'm going to unbox this with Christopher and go ahead and maybe decorate a couple. Like I said, he's too cool for me now. But I guarantee you, as soon as I decorate these cookies, guess who'll be the first one to eat some? Christopher. What was that? The little red hen? Was that the story? Little red hen kept asking for help and no one would help, and then when everything was done, everybody wanted to eat the stuff, and I can't remember, but I think it was a little red hen. If you know what I'm talking about, let me know down below. All right, so we have our card here. Okay, so June 2019 is Emojis and Minions. He's going to be upset that he didn't do this with me. Welcome to the June Grandma in a Box. This month we have 3 new projects, including Emoji Pops, Minion Bites, and Minion and Emoji Cookies. I'd love to see your emojis you come up with, so please send me some photos. Have fun with your cookie and candy crafts from Grandma. Be sure to read through all 3 project cards before you start. I am working on some fun and patriotic projects for next month. July 3rd, they ship out the first week of the month. All right, so let's see. And then it goes over telling you everything that is in here. So we have some wax paper, marshmallows and sticks, emoji decor bits, 2 packages of jimmies, 2 packages of sanding sugar, 6 paper cups, 4 ounces of Rice Krispie mix, 8 assorted theme cookies, 1 package of melting chocolate, which is milk chocolate, 3 tubes of assorted frosting, instruction sheets, and then it lists everything you'll need from home, which are scissors, a microwave, a small microwave safe bowl, 1 paper plate, 1 knife, fork, and spoon. Toothpicks are optional. Instructions: empty the contents of your box and set the 2 sheets of wax paper on a table to be used as your placemats. For easy cleanup, make sure you do all of your work on the wax paper. So that is such a nice little touch. So there we have that. And then we have our cards with the different projects. So the first project is Emoji Pops right here. So it goes over all of the instructions, and then here on the back it tells you everything you will need to do that project from your box. And project 2 are the Minion Bites. Right here. And again, the back tells us the actual ingredients that we will need. And then the third project are the Minion and Emoji cookies. So here are the directions. And then the ingredients. So let's look at our goodies. Oh, and she did put her card in here. So there we have that. Grandma does all the work so you can have all the fun. All right, so, and there is a code here for $10 off your first box, which is 10 off. So that is awesome. And she is on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. But this is what we have. So we have our marshmallows and sticks for the marshmallow pops. We have the melting chocolate. I love how this is all like ready to go in the correct portion size, sectioned out into these little containers. Here are our Rice Krispies. And then we have some yellow sugar, some blue sugar. We have some rainbow sprinkles, like chocolate sprinkles. And then we have the different little candy bits, eyeballs and things like that to do like the emojis. Here are the little cups for the Minion project. And then we do have cookies that she has already made that we can decorate. And then here we have some red icing. I love that it's already in a bag, like ready to go. You just snip the end off and it's ready to go to pipe. That's an awesome touch. The yellow. And then of course for Minions, we have yellow, so we have to have blue. And those are pretty much your colors for emojis as well, like yellow, blue, red, white. And then we have the wax paper. So that is everything in the box. You guys, I think this is going to be so much fun. And I think Christopher may change his mind. So I would not be surprised. When he was younger, he would love to like bake cookies with me and do all kinds of stuff. He just turned 9, so I don't know if he's just decided he's just too cool for mom, too cool to bake. I don't know, but after I show him all of this, I'm wondering if he'll change his mind. If not, like I said, I know he'll definitely be the first one to eat one of these projects. So I just think this is so awesome and just such a cute idea. I mean, you get all of the stuff you need beside, yes, there were things here at home that I will need, but I mean, who doesn't have scissors? Who doesn't, a microwave, you know what I mean? There's things, the things that we need here that are not included in the box for the project, most people have. So I think that is super awesome and so much fun. And with it being summertime, hopefully I can convince him to do these projects with me. I'm curious to see what she's doing next month for 4th of July, because I saw patriotic, so I'm just assuming that is what that is going to be. But this just looks super adorable, you guys. I cannot wait to go in there, and it's like the fun of baking without having to do the hard baking part. You just get to do the decorating, which is fun. So I am absolutely in love with this subscription. So again, Grandma Terry, thank you so much for sending this to me. I do so greatly appreciate it. And I can't wait to pop in the kitchen and make some of these. I will definitely post on my Instagram some pictures once I do make these. So you guys can see. So let me know your thoughts. I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, all of the information for the Grandma in a Box will be down below if you would like to check it out. So head over, get some yummy goodness, and have fun decorating. Have a fantastic day, and I will talk with you guys with the next one. Bye.